Hey, I'm Raphael. I'm a realtor that specializes in new construction here on the Treasure Coast of Florida. And today I want to show you a client's home that just finished that I think is the best value you can get in a new home well under $500,000. They build throughout Port St Lucie in areas that have no HOA or CDD fees, and they have their own lots with enough space for a pool. So this is actually their most affordable home, and it is called the Seagull by Monna Homes. The Seagull is going to give you 1,844 square feet under air, 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, but where this home and builder really shines is the best option for the price outside of an HOA is all the included standard features they put into all of their homes that are upgrades or not even offered by other builders. First off, there's a dimension and a design to the exterior of the home. We're usually in the low $400,000 range. All of the new homes are flat and very boxy. And I know this home is unfurnished, and that can make it difficult for some of you to really visualize everything, but stick with me on this one. Probably most important for a lot of people is that Monna is the only non-HOA builder under $500,000 that includes impact glass windows and tile throughout, standard with every home. You get vaulted ceilings in the living area and kitchen, and in the kitchen you have your choice of white or gray 42-inch cabinets that are soft close, as well as your choice of granites. Their sinks are single basins and are deep, and there's plenty of lighting in the kitchen. And Monna also does their bathrooms the best. Like here in the Seagull, you get a jacuzzi tub and separate shower that have the shiny white tiles going up the walls, whereas with most builders, you get just an insert shower and no space to even put a tub. And with this builder, you don't have to wait a year to build. From scratch, it takes about 6 months. So if you like what you see and you're considering building a new home, you should reach out to me directly. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida. And I'd be able to help and work with you throughout the process wherever you ultimately decide to call home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many beautiful homes Port St. Lucie in South Florida has to offer. And as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area, want to get an idea if this would work for you, if this is the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that.